Well, I thought I'd start doing the vlogs again, so here I am. I'm Jeremy, Kiwi Exploring Ireland, and today I've just been invited to Wicklow Birds of Prey, so I'm currently packing my bag of gear. I'm going to head off to Wicklow and go photograph some birds. So why not? We're back in Ireland here. We're sort of coming back out of our shell and exploring again. So I thought I'd head back out. So we're gonna go use the scratchable map and go check out Wicklow. Let's go see what's on the map actually. This here is the whole map of Ireland via a scratchable map. As you can see, I've been to Cliffs of Moher, scratched it off. I've been to Leash, so Rock of Dynamis. But we'll go back and visit these here. I'll redo them vlogs, but we're going to Wicklow today, so we're off to Glendalough. Well, we'll be going to Birds of Prey in Wicklow, but I'm going to be, I'll pop into Glendalough and we'll do a bit of a flyover with the drone. Oh well, I'm here at Birds of Prey. Let's go see what all the fuss is about. Let's go see these birds do some cool shit. It's first time me being here, and it is packed. There's jammers with people. The car park's near chocker. So let's go check it out. Let's go see what's going on.
since the YouTube comes, isn't it? All good?
Perfect. Well, that, folks, is the day at the Birds of Prey Centre up here in County Wicklow. Oh, the weather, it's very hot, but I'm not really used to it being here that long now, that sort of not used to used to this weather. But anyway, off home. I was going to go to Glendalough and Loch Tay as well, but yeah, it's what's now 6:30. Time's getting on. Time for dinner. Time to head back and hit the sheets. Go for a snooze. So yeah. Anyway, that's it from me. Anything that I've talked about or done or whatever will be linked in the description down below. So check it out. See you on the next one. Cheers. So when you receive your scratchable map, the link will be in the description to the scratchable map, and if you use my code, I'm fairly certain it still works. It is Kiwi 10. I'm fairly certain. I'll look it up, I'll make sure, and I'll drop the discount code and the link in the description below. But when you receive your map, you'll also get come on, a lucky 5-cent piece. So Irish 5-cent piece. So every time you get to a spot, scratch it off, and a nice lovely picture will appear. So obviously Book of Cows is the next one. It's just overlapping Wicklow there a little bit, but we'll get there once we can fully get back indoors again. So that's it. So thanks again, and be sure to be watching more as I go and explore Ireland. So may stop into Kildare next. Anyway, thanks again. Cheers. If you made it this far to the end of my vlog, thanks very much. Much appreciated. If you could like and follow and share it, it'd help me out immensely. The more people who see it, the more I get to go out and go do these sort of things and share it with you guys. But as you can see, I scratched off Glendalough. We never went, so unfortunately time got away. We're having too much fun taking photographs of the birds. Obviously, if you want to see the birds, the images that I've taken, go to Kiwi Exploring Ireland on Instagram. I'll chuck it in the description as well. You'll see my images there that I've taken as well. So but yeah, anyway, we'll make a Saturday of Glendalough. We'll go down there, we'll go see how it came about, what the story is with the monks and the likes of, and then while we're there we might head up to the old Guinness Lake and do a bit of a fly over there with the drone and yeah, see where the Vikings was filmed. So yeah, that's it. So I scratched it. I'm from now on. I'm gonna scratch them when I get home. So if I make it, so if we go to, let's say we go to Westmeath, Athlone, Sean's Bar. If we're heading to Athlone and we're going to Sean's Bar, then like obviously I'll probably scratch it before we leave, or I might not. I might even do it. I'll do it when we come back, but I'll make sure that everything's in sequence this next time. So yeah, much appreciated. Thanks again. Cheers. See ya.